Okay, we're going to find the derivative of this function, and because we have a quotient, be sure we use the quotient rule. And I will just label the top to be f and the bottom to be g. And remember, for the quotient rule, let me write down the g first on the side, and that's x to the third power minus 1. And then I will put down f, which is x squared plus 1. And then from here, let's go ahead and differentiate so we can get our ingredient. Right here, this is g prime, and we are going to get 3x squared because the derivative of x to the third power is this, and the derivative of negative 1 is just 0. So that's what we have. And then for f prime, this is just going to give us 2x. And now we have the ingredients, and we just have to put this together, and let me write down y prime right here first. And remember, for the quotient rule, you have to remember that we are going to square the denominator before we do anything else. So let me go ahead and put down x to the third power minus 1, and then I will square that. And then right here, I will just go ahead and take this times that, and that's going to be on the top. And notice that's exactly the bottom function right here times the derivative of the top function. But let me write it down for you guys. We will have x to the third power minus 1 times 2x. And then we are going to go this direction now. And for the quotient rule, we have to subtract. So a lot of this is just opposite of the product rule, right? So here, be sure you subtract this times that. And let me just write this down first, which is x squared plus 1, and then times 3x squared. And that's what we have. And the rest is just algebra that we have to do in order to simplify this expression. And remember, this was the g function. And now, let me just work out the top for you guys. We will take this times that, which is 2x to the fourth power. And this times that is minus 2x, right? This times this times that. And we are going to take this times that, which is 3x to the fourth power. But be careful, this is negative times that, which is negative. And then we'll continue. We take negative times this times that, which is negative 3x. Let me just write this down. Negative 3x squared, like that. And you have to be really careful with the sign, as always. Anyway, from here, we see that on the top, what can we do? Notice here we have the 2x to the fourth power, and we are subtracting 3x to the fourth power. So of course, we can write that down as negative x to the fourth power. And then from here, we have the x squared term, which is this only. So let's write down minus 3x squared. And lastly, let's put down the minus 2x. And on the denominator, we can just go ahead and put this down. X to the third power minus 1 squared, like that. And that's pretty much it. And depending on if you want to factor things out or not, you can factor out negative x maybe on the top. And you are not going to get a trinomial that's factorable, so you can probably just stop right here. Yeah, this right here will be a pretty good stop for the answer right here. That's it.